Okay guys, I have a practice here for you. You can do it by yourself and try that. You will use everything what we learned so far, like four cycle, empty dictionary and so on. So what's the point? Here is the dictionary. That's the start level, and we have students' results. It's about some test, for example, and Harry reached 85 points in this test. Okay, Ron, his result is 78, and so on. But your goal is to transfer this dictionary to this dictionary. So this will be the result. Okay, so here is Harry 85, so it means that 85 is here. Okay, so from 81 to 90 is very good, so the Harry has a very good result. After that, for example, Hermione, she has 98 points, so it means 98, it's excellent, so Hermione has excellent. Okay, so you need to change these values to description values. Okay, some description results. So we have point results and you have to change it to description results. Okay, so how you can do that? It's a small clue. So at first create a new empty dictionary, for example description results, and after that try to transform points to description and store in new dictionary. Okay, so it means that you need to use a for cycle. There are a different way how to write it, so try that and you will see how it goes. Okay, so now you can pause the video and I will do it as well. So guys, at first I would create a new dictionary, for example description result, like this. So I will comment it out, this, because I just need this is only example how the result will look like. Okay, so now we have an empty dictionary. Perfect. Maybe I will take this and put it here. Okay, so you can see everything what we need. So we have the dictionary. Okay, here how to transform it, and the first thing is that I created a new empty dictionary. Okay, and here I would like to store the result, like Harry very good, Ron passed, and so on. Okay, perfect. So at first I would like to use or reach the Harry and the number of points. Okay, so how we can do that? There are different ways. For example, we can store key value in, and we use the student result, so it means this. But if you would like to separate it to key and value, we talked about it in the previous video, so you need to use items here. Okay, so I will check it, print key value, like this. I just check it if everything is okay. Maybe I was wrong, maybe there is some mistake, we will see. Okay, no error here, so it looks fine. Perfect. So now what what we need exactly? So we know that if score if value is greater than 90, so it means 91, 92, 93 and so on, or you can write something like this. Okay, is greater or equal to 91. So what does it mean? It means that in description result, so it means in the empty the dictionary, there will be a new value. And how we will create a new value? So I put it here, key, so it means, for example, Harry. Okay, and Harry, what will be the result? So if the value is more than 91 or equal 91, so it means excellent. So I will put here excellent. Okay, perfect. So but the problem is that the Harry, his number of points is 85, correct? So here will be Harry and here is 85. So 85 is greater or equal to 91. No, it's not, it's false. So we need to continue. So elif, and again, value is greater or equal 81. 81. And again, description, key, but in this situation will be very good. So very good, perfect. So now it means that if it will be Harry, because he is the first one, okay? So here will be Harry and here 85. Is 85 greater or equal 91? No, it isn't. Is 85 greater or equal 81? Yes, it is. So it means description result, key is Harry. Okay, so it will create a new item here in the description result. It will be Harry, the key, and the value will be very good. Okay, and that's it. So we need to continue. Value now greater or equal 71, and again description, key, but the value will be passed here. Okay, and now we can write else or elif if you want. It will goes it can goes like value less than 71, okay, or less equal 70 if you want. But we can just write else because it means everything else is this. So description, key is always the name of the student, and it will be not passed. Okay, so we can see it here. Okay, and that's it. I think we are we are ready. So I will print the description result. Okay, maybe student results. So maybe I would put here results as well. Okay, so maybe it will be better. Okay, perfect. So I will run it and we will see. Harry, very good. Ron passed. Hermione, excellent. Draco, not passed. Perfect. I think it's exactly what we needed. Great. So now, how does it work? So the first is Harry. Okay. Key is Harry. Value is 85. Okay. Harry 85. The key Harry, value 85. Is 85 greater or equal 91? No, it isn't. So it's false. It's skipped. Is 85 greater or equal 81? Yes, it is. So it means description result, key is Harry. So it's a new value here, and the key is Harry, and the value is very good. Okay, so the key is Harry, and his value is very good. Now Ron 71. So Ron is key, value 71. 71 is greater or equal 91? No, it isn't. False. Is 71 greater or equal 81? No, it's false. Is 71 greater or equal 71? Yes, it is. So description result, key is here. So it means key is Ron, and the value is passed. So key is Ron, the value is passed, and it is stored here. Okay, and so on and so on. So perfect. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you were able to do it, and we will see in another video. Again, whole code is in textbook, and the link of the for the textbook is in description of this video.